What's up, boys? This is Infact Plays Game. It's Mike and Hinkel. Today is the 1 versus 1. As we said yesterday, we're gonna speak English for just to make sure everybody understands. Okay, we have an accent, but who cares? Okay, 1 versus 1. Are you ready? Let's get it on. We are going to play Rocket League. Rocket League is my favorite game of the week. I just downloaded it and I'm gonna speak about it tomorrow. So just keep an eye on the channel. You're gonna have every detail tomorrow in the video. It's just awesome, okay? So first round we're gonna put 2 bots in there. We're gonna make them really rookie. So just about us. But we don't want the
it's a versus
field to be too empty.
Yeah, it's a versus after all. So the first.
Okay, first versus on our channel.
Yeah, okay, let's get it on. Oh man. Well, it's so confusing. The ball can really sometimes. I like it. No, it's too confusing. Sorry, but it doesn't work. Oh! And my timing's bad too. Oh, no!
I come my teammate. Sit on the back.
Oh yes!
No, what do I do?
Keep it real.
Hey.
Okay, so the match today is 5v5, not 5v5, but best of 5. So,
Just the first one to win 3.
yeah, but it's...
Yeah, nice shot. Tinkel. Gut, was du. Möchte wissen, aber du hast es sicher gemacht. Nice.
Vom Abstand.
Oh.
Fuck you.
Der ist schon wirklich an der Wand.
Ja, das ist klar.
Come on! Oh!
Ja! What's for the win?
Ja, das war wirklich nice gespielt. Nice
Get it,
gespielt.
thanks.
Just go full boost into something, it's gonna explode.
Look good!
Oh, Ball!
Oh, ball! Hey! Ratzer! Oh my god, yes! Nee!
Du den.
Shame. He meant shame. Yes. Oh, ball coming up. That's okay to say.
Oh. Oh.
No!
Ist so loose.
Gehst du weh, mein lieben Mönch?
Hennessy. What's it called? Das ist Friends.
Wo steht? Sag, wo kommt alles?
Meine so eine Kraft. Hallo? No! Nee! Ja.
Gangster music in the house.
Totally destruction there.
Wie möchten Sie? Oh yeah. Ich geh Boost. Mal Boost!
Oh, come on.
Die Bauern, das ist schon. No!
Nee. Nice.
Steckfeld.
You gotta collect the boosts on those little points. The one with the ball is 100%, the 100% boost. Oh. That was my... No. No. No, come on.
At least
First
not
round.
defeat. At least not total.
So we're gonna do first one to win. Wait, it's not fetch. Stop. Stop. Marshall Necker. Winning Kiste. Nein.
Okay.
Move Item Fracture, Junge. Wir machen Dingens.
Manfield.
Machen wir nur 2 Bots? Nein.
Nee, kann man haben.
Okay.
Update.
1, 1-0. Okay, 1-0 für den Mike Orlowski.
Orelowski.
Nicht Orlowski, Mann.
Orejowski.
Or is it the first, second, like
what?
what's going on now? Yeah. Ah, come on. Allez, come on. Hollywood. Fancy name. Oh ja, merci. Ja, merci. Perfekt, Fehler. Melodie.
Wir haben doch keine Zeit.
Ah, so. Okay.
Oh. Nothing I could do now. Where's that gangster music I was playing with that? Boost! Where's Bob?
No.
Just do it! Oh nee!
Okay.
Du Arschloch!
What did I put? Nee. Ah, come on. Lame.
Suck it!
Lame.
Suck it!
the respawn thing. Yeah.
Nice! Check shots.
Yeah.
Very nice shot, very nice shot.
Oh fuck. Just, I wanted to make it like...
He's trapped. Allez, Hollywood. Boston.
Oh man.
Hey.
Ja. Allez.
Oh, close. Nice. Zerstörung.
I think it's a good thing. Go on right now. Wall.
Yeah. It's essential, basically. You have to.
On.
Not yeah! Don't.
Like waiting for the ball to get it.
Oh, I passed the ball. Just do it.
Nah.
Ass kick.
Oh, come on, dude.
Nee!
Nice.
Nee! Du Waffe!
Kommt da.
Die Baukauen ramen wieder. Guck versehen! Get down there! Oh man!
Oh, Foto.
Boost! Nee! Oh!
Okay. That's like a flop.
Sabotage! So back into action.
Nice. That's the right direction. Grätsche halt.
Hot shot. Back then.
Ja, denk ik. Are we doing 1 versus 1? Dritte Match? Ich meine,
Okay. Pick a nice one. Pick a nice one.
that one's cool. Okay, that is, I think it's
For the final match.
official.
Yeah. For the final match we can take it. So what if I win now? Once again?
I'm gonna continue, I guess. Yeah, we could do like a three kind of thing. Look at that. Oh. Ja. Genau, ich musste ran. Oh, ja.
Yo! I'm gonna just let it slide in. Nice and easy. Oh.
That was fucking skills, okay?
Well, your advantage is you played that game since last night and you didn't stop.
Played 3 matches. Right?
Yeah! I don't like that one.
It's really cool game. Yeah, just gotta say.
Yeah, it's a nice game. But I'm basically a nervous game. Just don't know what to do with my car.
No.
Oh!
Keeper.
Oh, ball can.
It's getting bloody. No.
Oh! Just keeps driving up the roads! I'm not fucking Spider Car. God damn.
That's right. Mission Zuckerberg.
Look how slow it is. Explosion!
Oh man.
Thanks for this point, man.
No, I'm looking. No. What? Oh no, come on!
Come on, man! Come on, man!
No, come on. What the fuck?
That's taking a while. Boost! What an intense match. It's really intense, this one. Yeah.
Trying to do no.
What happened?
Ja. Dat was niet goed.
Oh. So close this one. So close.
Spannend.
Oh fuck. Weird. Not verstaan. I could not compute.
I was like confused. Hate the player, man.
Wasn't even worth trying.
No. Stuck on the wall.
Oh, what?
No. No way.
It's in there!
That's defense right there. Ooh.
I was actually shit. Do you hear this? Even people are counting down. Last name people.
The winner of the first
Nice game. Nice
first
game.
1v1.
Of course. Total destruction. But the last
Well,
match
I
was really
gotta
bad.
say, in your defense, it was my game. I played it last night. Like I only played 3 matches because it was getting late. But yeah.
I'm sweating like a gnat.
Next time, look for those 1v1 videos. Next time is probably every Monday. That's how it's planned. But tomorrow, don't forget, will be my video about PlayStation 4. It's about the games on the PSN. It's about PS Plus membership. It's about everything. I'm basically the PlayStation guy. So just tune in and subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow.
Peace out.
Thanks for watching.